The Fanttik NB8 Nano electric sprayer is designed with a built-in lithium battery and an IPX5 waterproof rating, making it a versatile and reliable cleaning solution for various outdoor scenarios. Its compact size and integrated spray pipe ensure easy portability and hassle-free usage, eliminating the need for tedious installation steps. With a maximum water pressure of 72 to 98 pounds per square inch, it provides gentle yet effective cleaning, perfect for delicate flowers and sensitive pet skin. The upgraded 2,600 milliampere-hour battery allows for up to 40 minutes of continuous use at maximum flow rate or 60 minutes at minimum flow rate, ensuring you stay powered on the go. A built-in 118-inch telescoping spring water hose adds flexibility and convenience, while the USB-C charging interface offers compatibility with various home chargers, mobile power banks, and car chargers. The product also comes with a 1-year warranty from Fanttik, providing peace of mind for users.